Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video let's take a look at Tesla stock. We do have quite a deep big sell-off on Tesla that has created or has confirmed a pre-existing supply zone as a still an active supply zone. And as we'll go through this video, I do want to raise a caution here that things, even if they rebound, that may just only last as a rebound. And I think at this point, and just my opinion, we may be coming down lower. I think Tesla in the near term has done its move. But again, let's talk about that from the lens of technicals and the price action. What price action, if it develops that way, would lead to the potentially more downside on Tesla? Let's talk about all of that in this video. Now, before going further, I also want to point you to my Junior Trader Dividend Investing channel. Link to this channel is in the description below. There will be more videos coming out, especially one today. And when I say more videos, I mean this will be always videos coming out here, but in some videos I did a couple of days ago as well, and there are some updates I'll be sharing today as well as for some of the moves that I have made and how my portfolio is looking like. So link to this channel is in the description below as well, Junior Trader Dividend Investing channel. All right, let's come back here on Tesla. Now we have a problem. Now there was a news that it was coming out that, hey, maybe this sell-off is what Elon did, right? For the, I'm just trying to find that news. If I can't just take it on my words here because I did read it. And there was just a speculation, oh, maybe Elon is selling it for X, right? For Twitter again, due to the obligation. And that's because it's quite a deep sell-off, right? It's quite a huge sell-off. But anyways, that was just as a theory that came up. Again, we just don't know, right? Right now, at least. It takes at least, even if Elon sold it off, it takes at least 3 days for, at least at minimum, to reports to come out of insider trading, right? So yeah, it's always, they get 3 days at least or something along those lines to put it out. So, and those are usually business days. So give it this week or something and we'll get to know. But anyways, now what in the price action we are seeing? Well, we have lost 20 days moving average and we have come back again down to that blue box that I provided you in the past that, upside can continue. We got those upside, but then once we lost this $226 level, guys, that was it, as I have talked about in my previous videos as well. And the structure broke again to the downside. But before talking about that and what to look for this week, I also want to show you the short volume percent. And as you can see, this is where in the past we had 47%, 41% short volume. After the, that was the earning break structure resistance. And then thereafter, right now, this is where we again rejected, right? The same level. So the supply zone and short selling volume. And this is something I called out as well, guys. Be prepared, be cautious at this level of 234 to 233 area, that there may be some sell-off that may happen, right? Or, well, at least price would react. Just be cautious around this zone. And we are seeing that pretty much the sell-off, and sell-off actually has broken the structure as well on the lower time frames. So let's go to that. So let's go to the 4 hours interval first. And what I want to draw your attention to is this very same zone. The way this candle has come, all right, this will act as a supply zone for a long time, in my opinion. And I think Tesla has made its move. Maybe for the year, we'll see. Your robotaxi thing is happening in October. We'll see if that changes anything. But I think this may be the top on Tesla, 235 for at least months, in my opinion. Just my opinion though. Let's go to the hourly interval. And why so am I saying that, right? So you can see once we lost this trend line, the structure, we retested that with that level. So many confluences. And once we sold off with breaking the 226, that was the break of structure. And you can also put my another indicator, right? That helps in identifying. And that was it, guys. This was it. And things turned bad. Now, what from here, right? Well, as I say, As for going into this week, if you are looking for intraday upside, remember this is not going to be a swing long play right now. We have to see a lot of consolidation build up and some more structure to the upside to develop. But if any rebound has to come, you are watching this level of 214 and 70 cents area. If you can get above it, some upside may come. That would be to $219.77, and then after that would be only 226. But if that happens, so above 214 and 70 cents, we can get to 219 and 70 cents. But just remember that will just constitute as a rebound, and if we go to 226, that would be it, nothing more than that. Right now structure is negative on Tesla. We'll have to see some upside in other ways. Otherwise, this range, technically, any rebound until 219, as I said, will be a rebound. This is the level you are watching, 219. If you start to see sell-off happening here, wicks forming, double top forming, sell-off happening, that would be it. This thing will start to slow down again there. So this was the area, right? Break of the structure. And any upside play would be at this point. What I'm trying to say is that any rebound until 219 and 71 cents will just keep the structure in the rebound and still in the downtrend. Yeah. So Tesla is going into this week is weaker, and I also expect that this may be it, the highs for Tesla for this, at least for coming weeks, I can say. Yeah, this is quite a huge supply zone, and we'll see a lot of reaction again. Even if price rebounds, we might see a lot of sell-off happening. I might do another video later today on the options as well, because things are looking a little bit interesting there as well, so I want to talk about that. But yeah, as for the price action right now, it's looking very weak. And 203 is the last zone of defense, guys. If we lose this $203 range now, we have lost the structure, full-on structure as well, with the 200 days moving average. So far on the daily interval, structure hasn't really yet broken fully, but we are in the quite a deeper pullback, quite a deeper sell-off, which may just result into some rebounds, nothing more than that in my opinion, if those comes as for the levels I provided you. But other than that, as if we lose these areas like, the bottom, especially that 203 with 200 days moving average, it's pretty much game over. Oops. Yeah, it's pretty much game over there, guys, for Tesla. And I think this may be just the thing now for coming weeks, in my opinion. All right, well, we'll see the price action, right? It's you have the levels to watch. On weekly interval, the candle was looking really great until Thursday, and now we can see also with the confluence of that 200 weeks moving average at the very same level, right? 234 area. We still rejected that, we still sold off. Again, this is the last line of defense, guys, 203. We lose it, we lose it. Otherwise, let's see if Tesla can do something. But intraday levels I gave you to see. For some reason right now, the way the price action is looking like to me, unless I don't see some strength, I think there's just more likelihood that for weeks this may be the thing. And yeah, Tesla I think has made its move. But again, we'll see the price action. Again, don't just go by my words. Trade with the technicals. Price action will define everything, right? It's just the amount of sell-off and the supply zone has come, breaking all those levels. At least for, that's the thing, at least for weeks, I just think that supply will act. All right, that's it for this video. And if you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.